Hi everyone, my name is Nick and I'm from the Australian Hair Scalp Clinic based in Chadstone Shopping Centre, Melbourne. During the past 20 years, we have encountered a number of hair loss sufferers just like Michael who are desperately seeking a safe and effective way to regrow their hair. Many of our clients have previously used pharmaceutical hair loss treatments which have either failed to work or caused serious side effects. For example, let's look firstly at Michael's case. At just 20 years of age, he suffered with alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder that causes patchy hair loss. For about 1 year, he used steroid-based drugs prescribed by his medical specialist. He experienced no side effects, but no hair regrowth result either. Another case was Sean, a male in his late 20s suffering with androgenetic alopecia. He used minoxidil and finasteride for 2 years. After 12 months on these treatments, he experienced reduced sex drive, low energy levels, and depression. Another client of ours, Maury, a male in his late 20s, experienced androgenetic alopecia. He used minoxidil and finasteride for 4 years. After 2 years, he experienced reduced sex drive, low energy levels, and depression. All of these symptoms became even worse after 3 to 4 years. There was also Mr. KP, a male in his early 50s who suffered with androgenetic alopecia and used a minoxidil-based foam on his scalp for 1 week. Within 6 to 7 days, he experienced skin peeling off his fingers and was so concerned about the effect on his scalp that he stopped the treatment. Finally, Miss K, a female in her early 30s, also suffered from alopecia areata like Michael, had 6 years of pharmaceutical treatments, including steroid injections into her scalp. Small hair loss patches became bigger. Eventually, she lost hair all over her body, a condition called alopecia universalis. It is for these reasons that we want to share our knowledge, expertise, and amazing hair regrowth system with hair loss sufferers around Australia. We want hair loss sufferers to avoid the mistakes made by our past clients. And so we will be presenting informative seminars all around the country over the next 2 years, starting in Perth this May, Sydney in June, then Brisbane and Melbourne in August. For the Perth seminar, please book your place as soon as possible as seats are limited. At the Australian Hair Scalp Clinic, we use a 100% herbal treatment with no side effects to effectively regrow people's hair. With a 99% success rate and an excellent safety record over the past 20 years, we are the benchmark in natural herbal hair loss treatment in Australia. Our seminars will be presented by Ms. Angela Sun, who is a certified trichologist and a member of the IAT. Angela has helped hundreds of hair loss patients to successfully and safely regrow their hair. She has developed a unique and professional hair loss level assessment and treatment protocol. This assessment tells us firstly which types of hair loss are suitable for this treatment, and secondly the most appropriate treatment dosages and length of time needed before clients see significant hair regrowth results. This new assessment system is achieved through the use of both magnified and normal view photo analysis. By combining modern trichology knowledge with Chinese herbal treatment, Angela has created a number of clinically effective Aushair herbal hair regrowth programs. She's committed to promoting the hair regrowth efficacy and safety of Chinese medicine to bring greater satisfaction to hair loss sufferers. This is information that every hair loss sufferer needs to know. With over 20 years of continually getting results, we are the herbal hair loss specialists. So please join our seminars. Angela will be happy to take questions about your specific hair loss condition and provide you with professional advice for your case. If you are interested in attending one of our seminars, please register your contact details on this page. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you soon.